Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is how to create user profile card. What we discuss on today? Profile card design in HTML and CSS. I will explain each and everything step by step. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, Angular, JS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM, complete free web tutorials and digital marketing technologies provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. This is the user profile card design. I'm explaining how to design these profile cards using HTML and CSS with coding also. I'm going to topic. This is the basic HTML structure we all of you know. Once we'll check the output for this HTML. I'm not to write anything, so that's why it is empty page. Here body, here I am write H1 SHS Tech Solutions user profile card design. User profile card design in HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS. Once we check the output, yeah, this is the output. Next, I will write the div class equal to profile card image source from images folder alt SHS Tech Solutions ID equal to cards ID equal to cards. Next, I will write div class equal to some text yeah, okay. Once we'll check the output, this is the output. Next, I will write the CSS for this. Margin 0, padding 0, body, background color, restaurant center, color light, H1, adding 15 pixel, border, bottom 5 pixel, solid, height. Yeah, this is the, sorry, yeah, okay, no problem. Okay. Next, I will write hearts. Profile card width 300 pixel, height auto, align center. So check the output. This is the output. Next, dash cards width 100%, height auto. So we'll check the output. This is the output. Margin 30 pixel. Okay. Background color. Yeah. Okay. Button. Button type equal to submit. Button type equal to submit. Comment. Button type equal to submit. Comment. A href class equal to fa Facebook. A href class fa Twitter. A href class fa LinkedIn. A href class fa Instagram. So we'll check the output. This is the outputs. Okay, so we'll check the output. This is the output. Next, I will write H2, H3, H center, padding, 10 pixel, margin left, 10 pixel. Okay, so check the output. This is the output. Yeah, okay. Next, I will write border, 5 pixel, solid. Okay, next, Selfie. Okay. Next one. Margin pixel. Font size 18 pixel. Insert check output. Okay. Next I will write the CSS for this button. Button width 100%. Padding 20 pixel. Color white. Font size 20 pixel. Insert check output. This is the output. Background black. Button over background over dark red. Okay, this is the output. This is the output. Button border none. Outline 0. Yeah, this is the parent and pixel. User profile card. And this is the user profile card. It will be hover. Background color change. We'll copy this. Okay. Outlet. Yeah, this is the process to write the user profile card designing. I hope we all understand how to design the profile card using HTML and CSS. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provides all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMO, complete free web tutorials and digital marketing technologies provide the SHS Tech Solution. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. I'll change the body background, body not profile card. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.